mandate is to actually provide technical advice to our member countries in terms of, first of all, what the issues are, and then to provide some scientific advice in terms of how they would tackle the issue. For example, in the area of tropical cyclones, we provide technical advice through meteorological services, which is critical, not just for the Pacific, but for any region, for any country. And through that specific technical work, we're able to provide what is called a Pacific outlook in terms of what the weather or what these events will be like. So that enables them, I suppose, in a way, to have some kind of early warning about these events. And so it places them in a position to be able to, first of all, make decisions at the policy level, and secondly, undertake whatever necessary measures that are important at the national level, on the ground, to prepare communities and people when these events hit their countries. We need to look at our current NDCs, which are actually not enough. If you look at the collective NDCs that have been made known, they're not enough. We need to raise our ambition to a level where we're really serious. If we're serious about addressing the impacts of climate change, we need to review our NDCs, and we need to actually seriously raise the level of ambition so that when we report back in 2020, which is when is the date that is required for us to report back, that we can safely say that we meet, for us, the target of 1.5 degrees Celsius is important. So our NDCs need to be aligned with that. You know, I think we need to seriously raise the level of ambition. So for us in the Pacific, the 1.5 is the target. Exactly. In fact, we should be looking at below 1.5. So our current NDCs collectively will take us to 3.6 degrees. So that's what I mean by raising the level of ambition. 0.5 degrees report that the IPCC is working on, that comes out next year. But you know, it takes so long for that process to actually go through what's necessary, and it is necessary. But there's already there's science on specific areas and issues that relate to that 1.5 that we know is telling us that actually we need to be a lot more ambitious than what we have currently already.